comes in. Okay. So the question number 10. That's a lampshade, radius 10 centimeter and height 30 plus 2.35 centimeter. For finding how much cloth is needed, we need to find the curved surface area, that is 2 pi rh. 2 pi rh. Okay. And I have said you to learn how to calculate, how to calculate in easiest way, in the easiest way. Okay. 2 into pi 22 by 7 r means 10 and h means 35. So 7 5 20 into 110, that will be 2200 centimeter square. 220 centimeter square. Okay, got it? 2200 centimeter square. So how much area? That how much cloth is needed? How much cloth is needed? That is 2200 centimeters cloth is required. So answer is 2200 centimeter square cloth is needed. Cloth is required. Got it, everyone? Okay. Spia Kanjilal 2200. Okay, very good. Any problem, anyone regarding these sums? Quickly. Question number 10. Any problem, anyone? Otherwise, I will move on the next question. Okay? No problem, sir. Very good. Next question, question number 11. And it is the last question. So today we will finish the exercise 13.2. Oh my God, the question number is 11 is very much lengthy. The student of a Vidyalaya means, what is the English word of Vidyalaya? Student, yes, school. In Bengali it is called Vidyalaya. The student of Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating pen holders, okay, very good, in the shape of cylinder with base and using cardboard. Each of pen holder was to be radius 3 centimeter and height 10.5 centimeter. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitors with cardboard. If there are 35 competitors, how much cardboard was required to be bought for the competition? Here you have to use pi equal to 22 by 7. It's very much good concept. In a school competition, all of the students are requested to make the pen holder. It's very good and interesting competition, but here we need to solve this question. So first of all, the pen holder looks like a cylinder. It's look like a cylinder and it is given that radius is 3 centimeter. Question number not 10, question number 11. Radius is 3 centimeter and height is 10.5 centimeter. Height is 10.5 centimeter. Okay, so it is given. And first of all, give me the answer for making pen holder. You can say, sir, like this. Okay, though I am not a good painter. Okay. So you have to make that portion and also the bottom portion. So which area, which CSA or TSA, which area we need? TSA or CSA? Tell me. Yes, CSA and not CSA, or not only CSA, because this portion is closed. So we need that area is pi r square. Pi r square means bottom surface area of the base. Okay, so surface of a pen holder, equal to CSA plus area of base. Is it clear to all? Okay, is it clear to all of you or any problem? Tell me quickly, otherwise. Yes sir, clear, very good. Very Aharit, Suhid, Ritika, Sohelika, Sangam, any problem? Those who are in the call, any problem up to this? Yes sir, clear. Okay, okay. So 9 Pine students, they are very talented, very good students. Okay. So now CSA formula, we know the CSA formula, 2 into pi r into r into h plus area of the base. First of all, area of the base is a circle. What is the formula of the area of the circle? Tell me in the chat box quickly. Tell me in the chat box quickly. What is the area? What is the area of? Oh, the answer, yes, pi r square. Pi r square. So just put down the values of r and h. Okay. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r means 3 and h means 10.5 plus pi 22 by 7. Okay, first of all, okay, 22 by 7 into r square means 9. Add it quickly. So it will be 7 1.5. Okay, 3 9 1.5 into 3 1.5 into 2, that is 3 into 3 9 into 122, 9 into 22, that will be 198 plus 198 by 7. So it will be 198 by 7. So it will be almost any mistakes there? Not, it is not 9, it will be 7. Yes, 7. So 7 means 1400 থেকে 1400 থেকে যদি বাদ দিই 2 করে 14 1396 1396 plus 197 1583. Sir, okay, which portion? 1386. That will be 1386 or not? Yes, 1386 plus 198. Oh, it is not 7, it is 198. Okay, it is 198. So 198 means 1584 by 7. Yes, 1584 by 7. That is the area of one cardboard, one pen holder. Okay, one pen holder. Okay, now how many students, how many competitors attend there? 35 competitors attend there. So total cardboard have to be bought. Total area, total cardboard required to buy, that is 35 into 1584 by 7. So 5 into 1584. Quickly, 7920 centimeter square. So 79, that school need to buy 7920 centimeter square cardboard. Any problem for that competition? Any problem, anyone? Quickly. No, sir. Okay. Today also we have completed our time. So, how many exercise in these chapters? Oh my God, 9 exercises are there. Okay, so today, Riddhida, today we will not start the next exercise. Next day we will start. Okay, I hope tomorrow you will have my classes. Tomorrow you will have my class. Yes, then I will start exercise 13.0 because already it is 3 p.m. No. Okay. And next exercise regarding that mean to margin. Okay. Which sums? Oh, Suhid. Okay, wait, Suhid, wait. Wait, Suhid. That is question number 10. That is question number 10. Wait. Okay. Suhit, margin. Yes, margin means. Okay. Let. Okay. That is the height of 30 centimeter. Okay. And 30 centimeter and some portion you have to fold the inner side here in the inner side, that is the margin, and same as the lower portion, 2.5 at the lower portion. Got it? That up to the cloth is here and up to here it will be folded in inner side, inside the cylinder. That portion is 2.5. Okay, and same as the lower portion, after that the cloth, after this portion, some cloth will be folded at inside the yes, 2.5 centimeter. That 2.5 centimeter will be folded inside and 2.5 centimeter at the bottom also, 2.5 centimeter in the inside the circle. Sorry, inside the cylinder. Got it, Suhid, or not? Okay, that's why 2.5, that's why I have calculated 2.5 centimeter. Any problem? Okay. Actually, if a water bottle, okay. Look at that, Suhit. Okay. That is this lamp set. Okay. Now some portion means I have folded some portion inside that is the lamp set. Okay. Now some portion means from this position I fold this inside the cylinder. Okay. That folded portion is the margin. Got it? Yes. Okay. So I hope it is clear. Any problem, anyone? Okay. So thank you, students. Bye. We'll meet here in the next day. Students, so I hope students you have enjoyed the class little